Ribosomes are protein complexes and they consist of RNA synthesized in the nucleolus. Remember, the nucleolus produces ribosomal RNA that passes out through the nuclear pore into the cytoplasm of the cell. And these ribosomes are in two different forms. Firstly, they could be loosely lying within the cytoplasm. Sometimes they're combined with a messenger RNA fiber to produce a chain of ribosomes, and they're called polyribosomes. When you see individual ribosomes which are about 20 nanometers in diameter, or you see polyribosomes in the cytoplasm of the cell freely associated, then that means they're involved in making proteins that the cell uses for itself. Whereas sometimes ribosomes become attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is this vast network throughout the cell. It consists of sacs, cisterns, or passageways of interconnecting tubules. When you see ribosomes attached to the membrane of the endoplasmic reticulum, that means that the proteins synthesized by those ribosomes in collaboration with the endoplasmic reticulum is destined to be exported from the cell. So there's quite a difference. Look very carefully and you can see ribosomes as tiny little specks on the endoplasmic reticulum here. The endoplasmic reticulum comes in two forms. One particular form is called rough endoplasmic reticulum or granular endoplasmic reticulum. And it's called rough or granular endoplasmic reticulum because, as you see in the model, it has little tiny ribosomes associated with it. And in that case, this rough endoplasmic reticulum is making protein for export, as I mentioned a moment ago. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is more on the peripheral part of the model shown here and has no ribosomes associated with it at all. Its job is to make lipids, steroids, metabolize glycogen, and also degrade toxic substances. So it's a very busy membranous system, as is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Here's a picture showing you a large motor neuron. You can see the nucleus and the nucleolus. And you see a lot of dark stained material inside the cytoplasm. All that clumpy, dark purplish stained material in this large motor neuron is rough endoplasmic reticulum. That large amount of rough endoplasmic reticulum in this neuron is making neurotransmitter proteins that serve to bring about the transmission of the action potential or impulse from the neuron to the sarcolemma or cell membrane of the skeletal muscle fiber. Large clumps of rough endoplasmic reticulum or granular endoplasmic reticulum in these large motor neurons are referred to as Nissl bodies or Nissl substance.